8. Weird signs. Your body is begging for vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy nerve function, producing red blood cells, and supporting brain health. Despite its importance, many people unknowingly suffer from a B12 deficiency, leading to various health problems that are often misdiagnosed or mistaken for other conditions. In this video, we will explore 8 unusual signs that your body is desperately asking for more vitamin B12. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this content, please take a moment to like, comment, and share it with your friends. Doing so helps more people discover the channel. This content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or supplement regimen. Now, let's dive into the 8 weird signs of vitamin B12 deficiency. 1. Tingling or numbness in hands and feet. One of the most overlooked signs of vitamin B12 deficiency is a tingling or numb sensation in the hands and feet. This happens because B12 plays a key role in maintaining nerve health. Without enough B12, nerves can become damaged, leading to a pins and needles sensation, weakness, or even loss of coordination over time. The longer a B12 deficiency goes untreated, the more likely it is to cause long-term nerve damage. If you frequently experience these symptoms, it's important to check your B12 levels and address any deficiencies before they worsen. 2. Strange mood swings and depression. Vitamin B12 is essential for brain function and emotional regulation. A deficiency can lead to sudden mood swings, increased anxiety, or even depression. Low B12 levels can affect serotonin and dopamine production, which are the neurotransmitters responsible for maintaining a stable and positive mood. Chronic stress, poor sleep, and hormonal imbalances can exacerbate these symptoms. If you're feeling unusually irritable, anxious, or depressed for no apparent reason, your body might be telling you it needs more B12. 3. Persistent fatigue and weakness. Feeling exhausted even after a full night's sleep? Vitamin B12 is necessary for red blood cell production, which helps transport oxygen throughout the body. Without enough oxygen, your body struggles to produce energy, leading to chronic fatigue and muscle weakness. If you constantly feel drained or experience unexplained weakness, it might be due to a lack of B12. Increasing your intake through food or supplements can help restore energy levels. 4. Unexplained dizziness or balance issues. A lack of vitamin B12 can affect the nervous system, leading to dizziness, unsteady movements, or even frequent falls. This happens because B12 is vital for the proper function of the brain and nerves. If left untreated, severe B12 deficiency can lead to neurological issues that impact movement and coordination. If you notice that you're frequently lightheaded or struggling with your balance, it might be time to evaluate your vitamin B12 levels. 5. Pale or jaundiced skin. A vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to a condition called megaloblastic anemia, where red blood cells become abnormally large and fragile. This can result in a pale or even slightly yellowish skin tone because your body isn't producing enough healthy red blood cells. Additionally, inadequate B12 can lead to an overall dull complexion, making you look more tired and unhealthy. If your skin appears unusually pale or has a yellowish tint, consider checking your B12 levels. 6. Swollen or inflamed tongue. A swollen red or inflamed tongue can be a surprising sign of vitamin B12 deficiency. This condition, known as glossitis, can make your tongue look smoother than usual and may cause pain, burning, or changes in taste. B12 deficiency can also lead to mouth ulcers, a sore throat, or a burning sensation in the mouth. If you notice these changes, your body might be signaling that it needs more B12. 7. Memory problems and brain fog. Struggling to concentrate, remember things, or feeling mentally sluggish? Vitamin B12 is essential for brain health, and a deficiency can lead to memory problems, difficulty focusing, and even an increased risk of cognitive decline. People with B12 deficiency often describe experiencing brain fog, where they feel confused or struggle to find the right words. If you often experience forgetfulness or lack of clarity, increasing your B12 intake might help improve your mental sharpness. 8. Unusual cravings for ice or non-food items. Some people with a B12 deficiency develop a condition called pica, which causes cravings for non-food items like ice, dirt, or chalk. While pica is more commonly associated with iron deficiency, B12 deficiency can also trigger strange cravings. Chewing ice excessively could be your body's way of signaling that something is missing in your diet. If you have a strong urge to chew ice or eat non-food items, it's worth getting your nutrient levels checked. Conclusion: vitamin B12 is a crucial nutrient that supports energy, brain function, nerve health, and red blood cell production. A deficiency can manifest in unusual ways, such as tingling in the hands and feet, mood swings, brain fog, and even balance issues. If you recognize any of these signs in yourself, it's important to address your B12 intake through diet or supplements. Foods rich in B12 include meat, fish, dairy products, and fortified plant-based foods. For those at risk, such as vegetarians, older adults, or individuals with digestive disorders, it's essential to monitor B12 levels and supplement if necessary. Always consult a healthcare professional before making dietary changes.